Last time I met Jonathan, I found out why he'd never used his expensive telescope.
Oh my God, and this is it.
This is my telescope.
This is your pride and joy. Why have you not used that part?
Because it's difficult.
It's too hard, is it?
It's quite hard.
So I took him right back to basics.
The eye.
I've done that.
Let's get outside.
We just use the naked eye.
Outside.
What's the point of having you if you're just gonna? I could do that on my own.
There we have it. Your first ever live view of Jupiter, the king of the planets.
God, isn't that incredible?
Well,
it's not incredible for you. You've done this before, but it's incredible for me.
Well, that went well. Now Jonathan's seen his first planet, what about a crash course in constellations?
Now, there's something you need to be able to see around the sky. Any idea what it is?
No.
No.
A telescope.
Telescope helps. Two things. One is one of these little gadgets called a planisphere. And another thing is a point of reference in the sky. So we'll come back to this.
Right.
The point of reference that we use is the plough. Do you know where the plough is?
I know it's above us somewhere.
Yes, it is. Any idea where? Okay, I'll give you a clue now.
That doesn't look like the plough.
No.
That's the plough.
No.
That's near the plough.
You're heading the right way. You're getting warm.
There.
Bit more.
Over there.
Just a hint. Keep going.
Just about over there.
Just right there. Spot on.
That's it there.
So you do know where it is.
It's easy.
Now, the plough is very useful because it's always up in the sky, so we can use that as a reference point to find our way around the sky.
So is that what sailors did?
Yes, it is. Exactly. The two stars, you can just see the two front stars in the bowl, called Marek and Dubhe.
Okay.
They point up to the pole star, due north.
So is that it there? Is that the pole star?
But yes, that's the pole star
That's
up
the pole
there.
star.
So we use the plough and we can find anything in the sky. Now,
Your dear friend.
my dear friend, the planisphere.
Wow, look at that.
Now, the planisphere is a really useful bit of kit. It's really cheap as well.
How much would this go back for?
£5. Wow. Not much at all. You need to set the date and time around the outside. You can see there's two plastic
So it's
discs.
a bit like a slide
spin.
rule in that respect.
Yes, it is. If you take control of that, what you need to do is align, the current time is about 10 o'clock, which you've got 10 PM on the side there.
So where do I line that with?
10 PM, align it to December the 8th.
There?
Whoa, that's it, stop. So that now shows you the sky as it is tonight.
Wow.
Now all you need to do is hold it up above your head with the end marker pointing due north. So you hold it up like thus, and that is how the sky looks tonight.
Is that due north?
That is due north. And we know that from finding the pole star.
Oh, I see. That's why we bothered with the whole
Yes,
pole star
yes.
business.
So that now shows
All right, Mark,
you...
forgive me. I thought you were just showing off.
So look for the plough and the pole star in the north, find them on the planisphere, and you effectively have a map of every night sky constellation.
Wow.
An easier one to start with is just over there on the horizon, that really big bright one.
Yeah.
Just there, look.
Is that one?
That's that one, that's Sirius.
Sirius Major?
You can't miss it.
Seriously?
I see what you did there.
Oh,
see what you did there. But if you look just above to the right, and you can see it on the planisphere, you've got the plough just down there.
Oh, yeah.
If you follow that across,
this is great.
takes you to Orion, just over there on your right shoulder.
With his belt?
With his belt. Yes.
Got it. It's easy.
So we've got that fuzzy blob just below the belt.
Yes.
That's the Orion Nebula,
Wow.
which is a region where stars are forming. And it's taken millions and millions of years for that gas to be pulled together under gravity, and eventually stars will form. If we now scoot back towards the plough again, so twisting round now, if you remember.
The plough, I remember them. That would be the North Star.
That's the North Star.
Right
if you
there.
keep following in that direction, you come to a W on its side, which is Cassiopeia.
I suppose, yes.
Or an M, could be an M.
Well, yes,
Could be an M, could be a W on its side.
Sort of.
But then if you go a little bit further, the star I'm particularly interested in is the one that's just above the trees.
What, straight up?
Straight up.
Well,
almost.
sort of straight
yeah?
down it, yeah.
That is a star in the constellation of Andromeda.
Right.
Now I'm going to amaze you now, just off that star and scooting across to the right a little bit, scooting and squizzing as proper astronomical terms, is a faint fuzzy blob.
I think I see it, yes.
Do you have any idea what you're looking at?
I know it's going to be something impressive.
It's going to be something impressive.
I'm going to make a wild guess.
Go on, have a try.
Either Uranus or Pluto.
Neither.
No. Okay, let me keep going. Mercury.
No. So I'll put you out of your misery. That fuzzy blob is the Andromeda Galaxy.
That's what I was thinking.
You were thinking that was your next choice, wasn't it? The Andromeda Galaxy is a galaxy outside of our Milky Way galaxy.
No.
At a distance, get this.
No, you can give me a headache.
I am 2.5 million light years away.
So how long is that taking to reach us?
2.5 million years for the light to reach. So the
2.5 million years?
So the image we can see now was how it looked 2.5 million years ago.
Wow. What is going on there now?
Who knows?
Well, don't we have a telescope
it's
up there?
actually heading straight for us. How does that make you feel?
Makes me look forward to the blissful release of death.
Really? That's
well, I don't want to be here when it arrives.
Positive optimum thought,
it comes crashing into the earth, people screaming in terror,
not gonna crash.
the skin dropping off their body,
Have I ruined your
Terminator
night?
stalking the streets, killing people with his metal arms.
I've ruined your night now, haven't I?
Well, you haven't cheered me up. It's cold, and there's a whole
planetary system
Heading
hurtling
straight
towards us
forward.
at some terrible
Bigger
speed.
than a planetary system.
We need a president.
Bigger than a
We
planetary
need someone
system.
like Samuel L. Jackson.
We can sort it out, but it's going to be a few billion years before it gets here. So don't panic.